Okay, class.
Welcome to what show?
Welcome to the cooking show with Leila. This is a video. I already poured in coconut cream jello. So we need a glass of milk. 2 cups. So get out the milk. And now, pour it in this cup. Make sure it's only two cups. Open the milk. Pour the milk. A little bit higher. There. And now, don't drink the milk. You have to pour it in there after everybody puts it away. And then, when you put it away, close the kitchen door.
You need to go get that whisk in there.
And pour the milk in. After, put it in here. Get a whisk. Start as fast as you can. And try to get the things off the walls. Okay. See how it's turning vanilla? Guys, smell it. Smells good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So everybody. So it's 2 minutes. Don't stir it for a long time. Just stir it for 2 minutes. This is a secret, so nobody let hear. Oh, yum. So, is it done yet? Is it done yet? No. Okay, it's not done yet. But
Is all the lumps away?
What?
Make sure there's no lumps in it.
I'm working on it, videotaper. Stir it real quick. Okay. Is it done yet?
Yeah.
It's done. Now, you can lick the whisk. Now put it in a refrigerator.
Put the whisk in the sink. Put the whisk in the sink.
Put the whisk in the sink. Put this in a refrigerator, and you have to leave it in there for 20 minutes. There's no room.
Okay. Just tell them what you're gonna do, and then we'll sign out, and I'll put it in there.
Okay.
And then we'll come back in 5 minutes and tape more. So, tell them we're gonna what?
We're gonna wait for 20 minutes and